Hello guys, my name is Adam and I'm owner of Fuse Service, and in this video I would like to talk about our contest which we are gonna run for you, our lovely customers. But we looking for the very old furnace or HVAC system you may have in your house. If it looks like that with all hot gas pipe and it looks like it's very absolute and very old, you may get brand new heating cooling system absolutely for free. How? So I would like to ask you to send us your pictures of your existing HVAC system if it's kind of old, and because we're looking for the oldest one, and the people who sent us the pictures of the oldest one, they will be nominated as owners of very old HVAC system. And we have 3 places for the very old and kind of old system, which we will install for them a heating system absolutely for free. So what you're gonna get? So you have old system like that and we will replace it for free. That is a main idea. So you send us and we will provide you for free. One more time. So if you would like to get the brand new HVAC system, go ahead, don't hesitate to fill it up the form and good to go. And you will get something like this brand new heat pump system instead of burning the gas.